One thing that I do notice from customers is that the fact that they don't know they've got SimulationXpress. So SimulationXpress is a product that comes with every seat of SolidWorks. What is SimulationXpress, you might ask? It is a very basic FEA model that you can use on any of your parts. The way to activate this SimulationXpress is by opening your SolidWorks. At the top, you'll notice there's a tools bar. Click on that tools bar and you'll see there's Express products. On that Express products, you can open SimulationXpress. It will then ask you for an activation code. That code you will receive from mysolidworks.com. So just go visit mysolidworks.com. It will ask you for your SolidWorks serial number. You just put in your serial number and then receive your activation code, which you can then put into the SimulationXpress pop-up that you received on SolidWorks. And there you have it.